Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jessica Rema TV. If today is your first time of being here, you're welcome, and I want to say a very big thank you to all my old subscribers. Thank you for your support. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys on how to make meat pie. Meat pie is a common snack we all know, especially those of us from West Africa. I'll be taking it step by step, starting from the sauce, the dough, and the baking. I want to say thank you once more for stopping by. Please, if you have not subscribed, please do not forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Share the video, give thumbs up, and God bless you. Let's get started. These are the ingredients needed for the sauce: minced meat, potatoes, carrots, vegetable oil, thyme, onion, seasoning cube, all-purpose flour, and salt. This will be used as thickening. These are the ingredients needed for the dough: all-purpose flour, butter, egg, baking powder, salt, sugar, and milk. You can as well use water in place of this milk. Now wash the potatoes and the carrots, peel it and cut into tiny pieces. I've cut the carrot, this is the size. Yeah, look at it. That's the size. Now in a pot, add oil, vegetable oil, add onion and fry until brown. Fry the onions until brown. Look at it, just this way. Add the meat and continue turning. You turn, you press, turn it this way, fry it like this until the reddish color disappears, until it becomes brown. Don't fry it to dry, no, don't dry it, just fry until the reddish color disappears. And once it disappears, it's okay. Don't just fry to dry it up, no. Fry it. Look at it. Keep on turning. Look at it now. Look at how it looks. The reddish color has disappeared. Now add water. Add water just the same level with the meat. Yeah. Add the thyme, salt and seasoning cube. Give it a stir, cover it and let it boil for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, look at it, the water is almost dried. Add the chopped carrots and the chopped potatoes. Add water, give it a stir, add water just equal with the vegetable, the same level with the vegetable, and cover it to boil. As it's boiling, I'll be mixing my all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Mix it to this consistency. After 2 minutes of boiling, you don't need to overboil the vegetables. Look at it, not too soft, not too thick, because we are still going to bake it. Add the mixed flour and turn evenly as fast as possible. Once you pour it, turn as fast as possible so that it will be evenly distributed. Look at it. This helps to keep the moisture in the sauce even after baking, and also serves as a thickener for the sauce. That is the importance of this flour now we just added. Mix evenly and set aside to cool. This is just a perfect consistency. Set aside and let it cool as we prepare our dough. Now mix all the dried ingredients together. Add the butter. The butter must be at room temperature. Add the butter and start mixing. You don't need a machine for this. You just need your washed bare hands. Mix it until it forms breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs, as you can see it now. Look at it, the texture. Mix until you get this texture. Then add the milk. Remember, you can use water in place of this milk. If you don't have milk, water is also perfect. Continue mixing. I will be continue mixing. I'll be pouring it now on my work surface so I can nail with my 2 hands. Though you don't need to over nail meat pie dough, just nail it, not too firm. Once you over nail it, the meat pie will be too strong after baking. Now I'll be cutting it into 8 parts, 1 into 2. one into two, this one into two and into two. Now grease your baking tray with butter and flour. This is very important because this helps the meat pie not to stick to the pan after baking. This is very important whenever you're baking anything, be it cake or whatsoever. Now beat the egg and set it aside. Now I've taken one portion of the dough. I will roll it out, not too thick and not too thin. This will give me at least 2 meat pies. Each portion will give me at least 2 meat pies. Now look at the thickness. Using any round object in your possession. I'm using my pot cover because I don't have meat pie cutter. Add 1 tablespoon of the sauce. At least 1 tablespoon of the sauce to each of them. Rub the egg on it. This helps to seal the meat pie so it doesn't open even if you don't bake it immediately. Turn it over. Press with the fork. This fork gives it a design and also helps to seal it properly. So it serves 2 functions. Turn it over. Press it. Press with the fork. As simple as that. Repeat this in all of them. This is another portion I've taken. I'll repeat the process again just to show you how it's being done properly. Roll it out. Remember, not too thin. The thickness matters. Now cut it out with any round object in your possession. Add at least 1 tablespoon of the sauce. At least 1 tablespoon of the sauce. Then say with the egg. Rub it. Turn it over just like this. Seal with fork. Just press the fork on the edges. Look at it. Turn it over. Seal with the fork. This is just simple. Repeat this on all of. This is the first batch I'll be baking because my oven is a small oven. Now rub the egg on the meat pie. This is very important, especially for beginners, because this will help you to know when the meat pie is done. Once it's done, it will turn golden. Yeah, then you know that the meat pie is done. But without rubbing this egg on it, you will not know when it's done and you will overbake it. Just rub it evenly and this will give it a shiny look also. Using a fork to perforate it, this helps the air in it to go out while it's baking. If not, the meat pie will burst. Not all the time, but most of the time. Now put it in the oven and let it bake. After 45 minutes, this is our meat pie. This is delicious and beautiful. Look at it. This is delicious. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Please do not forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post videos. Hit the like button, share this video, and thank you once more. God bless you and see you all in my next video. Bye.